Here's how to fix graphics driver crashed error in Valorant. First, open the Start menu. Search for Device Manager and open it. Find Display Adapters and expand the section. Here, you'll see your installed graphics card. Right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. Now choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your graphics card from the list and click Next. Windows will now install the selected driver. Once the process is complete, close the open windows. Next, open the Start menu, search for Run, and open it. In the Run box, type %local app data % and press Enter. This will open the local app data folder. Scroll down and locate the Valorant folder. Then open it. Go into Saved, open Config, and find the Crash Reporter client folder. Right-click this folder and delete it. After that, go back to the previous folder and open Web Cache. Select all the files inside this folder and delete them. Once you've cleared these files, close File Explorer. Now we'll adjust the graphics settings through the NVIDIA control panel. Right-click an empty area on your desktop and select Show More Options. If you have NVIDIA control panel installed, open it. From the left side, select Manage 3D Settings and open the Program Settings tab. This allows us to apply the graphics settings specifically to Valorant. Find Valorant in the program list. If Valorant isn't already listed, click Add, then select Browse. Now locate the Valorant executable file. Go to your drive where Valorant is installed, then open the Valorant folder. From there, go into Live and locate valorant.exe. Select the executable file. Once Valorant has been added, you should see an option called Preferred Graphics Processor for this program and set it to High Performance NVIDIA Processor. Next, select Configure Surround PhysX from the left-hand menu. Under PhysX Settings, find the processor option and change it from Auto Select to your NVIDIA graphics processor. Then click Apply again. Once you've completed all of these changes, click Apply at the bottom and then restart your computer. After Windows starts back up, launch Valorant and check whether the graphics driver crashed error has been resolved. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.